Oh my goodness, look at the road. There's actually no road. Can't even see the road. அப்படிதான் செய்ய நினைக்கிறேன். Look at this. Hey guys, it's 1:25 and things are definitely not going according to the plan. We initially thought we'll go and reach Chandatal at around 1:30, but the roads are really bad. In fact, there are no roads at all. So it looks like we will be reaching Chandatal roughly about 3 o'clock, which puts us in a big risk because we've decided that we'll go back to the hotel room today thinking that it's going to be only a 4 or 5 hours or max to max a 6-hour journey. But it looks like we might have to stay there. So the biggest risk there is we don't have enough food. We have a tent, but we don't have enough quilt or anything to keep ourselves warm. And the bad news is that the temperature is gonna likely drop to minus in the night. So we are in a big dilemma. At this point of time, we're not making a plan as such. We're not deciding anything on camping or to come back. That decision is completely dependable on the time we reach Chandatal Lake. So that's the view, and the reason why is because that's the patch. The patch there is what Kumar and our other brother who joined us in Ford EcoSport will have to come up to. So the dilemma is, should they take this route or there is a bridge here. So I walked up, you can see I'm breathing, I'm running out of breath. So I walked up here just to make a decision on which path to choose to climb up this small little patch. So man, I mean, while we love the scenery as much, we never thought it's going to be such a difficult journey. There is absolutely no roads, and we personally think, since we heard from the COP that Chandatal Lake is likely going to be closed in about a couple of days. In fact, we've come with taking a big risk, so we might as well be the last set of people who will be visiting Chandatal Lake, is what I suppose. So yeah, so that's for now, and we're waiting for these cars to come up. Let's see what they're going to decide. Where? I think this one is better. I think this one is better. Timber, I think this one is easier. Okay, we'll take the bridge. So you guys can see it's almost like a 45-degree pretty steep uphill they're trying to climb. So my choice was coming through the road that I spoke about. As you can see, the road is struggling. Let's see what happens. I think it's much better. It is indeed. What do you have to say?
Nothing, I just had the momentum.
I don't think we would have been able to climb this one.
Yeah, I just had the momentum, and only here there was a real spin. Apart from that, it didn't have much issues actually.
Okay, now
It was kind of very uneven.
we also see a bunch of bikers coming. Okay, looks like we'll have some company in Chandatal Lake. And if you're not able to make it back to the room, I just hope the bikers are carrying at least an additional packet of Maggie and some logs to do a campfire, so that we can probably take their help and survive the night. So here comes our friend in Ford EcoSport. Yay, managed well. And yes, are you guys staying in Chandatal? Probably you can hear us. Yeah, it looks like.
Clear.
Look at this. Look at the stream and look at the ice formation here. It's absolutely wonderful. Oh, this road has got so much to offer, seriously. And look at this view. Look at that. That's the footsteps of the mountain. Right. And I don't know what to say, seriously. This is simply awesome. Wow.
Network.
Yeah, I think we just got network. God knows where the network is coming from. We haven't even seen human beings in a long time coming in the opposite direction. I really wonder. Yeah, it was fun.
Maybe it's BSNL.
Yeah, it could be BSNL, most probably. Connecting India. So we see something called Himalaya Station. It's a it's a research kind of it's a place meant for research developed by Ministry of Earth, and this place is called Batal. This is the closest place to Chandatal where you will see some human civilization. So we are still about 10 to 13 kilometers away from Chandatal. And now the time is 2:35. So Chandatal is most likely going to be, yeah, exactly 40 kilometers. It's most likely going to be another 40 minutes at least, considering the speed that we are able to maintain. And then we'll share a post or a video once after we reach there. And here is the bridge that is made in Batal, which takes us to the Chandatal road. And if you look at it, there are additional wooden planks added. It looks like the bridge is pretty old and must have gone worn out sometime back. So there are additional wooden planks that are kept for vehicles to pass through. And now we are on the other side of the bridge. Okay guys, with 10 km more to go to reach Chandatal lake. This is a boat that you should not miss, because we have to take a left to reach Chandatal, and if you mistakenly take a right, then that will go to Spiti. So we just thought we'll stop by and share this important information with you guys. We also see an ambulance here. I'm not really sure if it is something that is meant to be parked here throughout the night, throughout the day, at any given day, or I'm not sure if there is a one-off situation. So that's the entry signboard to Chandatal Lake. And when I was going through some information about Chandatal Lake, I also kind of came across this interesting information that you will find snow leopard during the winters near Chandatal Lake. I really wonder, how a snow leopard looks like, but I also just saw a boat which has a photo of a snow leopard, and they were pointing it towards Chandatal Lake. I'm sure we're not gonna see one today, but yeah. I'll talk to you guys in about 15-20 minutes. I guess we should reach by then.
So only we are to blame in this situation, and I have to take up the responsibility. Yeah, that's it for now. From Chandratal, my hand is already freezing and getting numb. I don't know what is happening. It's paining also already. I'll have to go and find something hot. Bye for now.